Organizing information with color coding. A vibrant approach. Hello learners! Today, we're diving into the world of organizing information, specifically focusing on a fun and visual method, color coding. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how using colors can transform your note-taking and information organization. Color coding is the practice of using different colors to categorize or prioritize information. Think of it as creating a visual map on your notes. Just as traffic lights use colors to convey messages, your notes can utilize color to quickly tell you something important about the information. 1. Enhanced memory recall. Colors can stimulate our brains and help us remember information better. 2. Efficient organization. Quickly locate related information by grouping it under a specific color. 3. Engaging experience. Makes the process of note-taking more interactive and less monotonous. 1. Choose a color palette. Start with basic colors: red, blue, green, yellow, etc. As you progress, you can add more shades or use highlighters, colored pens, or digital tools. 2. Determine your categories. Decide what each color represents. For instance, blue for main ideas, yellow for supporting details, and red for vital dates or warnings. 3. Stay consistent. The key is to use the colors consistently across your notes. If you're using blue for main ideas in one set of notes, keep that standard throughout. 1. Don't overdo it. While it's tempting to use a rainbow of colors, try to keep it simple. Too many colors can be counterproductive. 2. Practice. Initially, you might forget which color stands for what. With regular practice, you'll get the hang of it. 3. Evolve your system. As you get more familiar, you can adapt and modify your color coding method to best suit your needs. Color coding is a dynamic and effective way to enhance your research and note-taking skills. We hope you'll give it a try and see the benefits for yourself. Remember, it's not just about making your notes look pretty, but about enhancing your learning experience. Happy studying and stay colorful!